Hello friends, myself Professor Dattu Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Previous lecture we learned about case 1 of differential equation solvable for P. In this lecture we learn differential equation solvable for Y. If the differential equation can be expressed in form of y equal to f of x comma p, that is our equation number 1, then it is said to be solvable for y. Then differentiating with equation number 1 with respect to x, then we get dy by dx equal to del f by del x plus del x by del p into dp by dx. Here dy by dx, which is indicated by p, and this equation in form of p equal to f of x p dp by dx, that is our equation number 2. Then solving this equation 2 with the help of separating the variables, then we obtain the solution g of x p c equal to 0. That is our equation number 3. Now eliminating the p from equation 1 and 3, then we get required general solution of given differential equation. Let us start with examples. Let us start with example. Example is y equal to 2px minus xp square. First, whatever the differential equation given in question, then do the subject y. Means the given differential equation can be expressed in form of y equal to function of xp. Here differential equation which is in form of y, then y equal to 2px minus xp square, that is our equation number 1, which is already question. Then differentiating with respect to x, differentiating the equation number 1 with respect to x, then we get dy by dx equal to 2p plus 2x dp by dx minus p square minus 2px dp by dx. Here dy by dx equal to p, then we get p equal to 2p plus 2x dp by dx minus p square minus 2px dp by dx, where dy by dx equal to p. Now simplify this term, then 2p minus p equal to p minus p square. This both term has common 2x minus dp by dx. This term has common term p, then we get 1 minus p square 1 minus p 2x dp by dx, and factor is 1 minus p square into p, 1 minus p common, then we get 1 minus p, then p plus 2x dp by dx equal to 0. Then neglecting this first term, discarding the factor 1 minus p, because which does not contain dp by dx. Means consider only this term p plus 2x dp by dx equal to 0. Now we find the general solution of that term with the help of variable separable method. In this method, first separating the variables, means that is our equation number 1, means two by p dp plus dx by x equal to 0. Then apply integration both sides. Then we get 2 log p plus log x equal to log c. Then according to the properties of logarithm, we get log p square plus log x equal to log c. Again properties of logarithm, we get x p square equal to c. Then p square equal to c by x. That is our equation number 2. Now eliminating the p from equation 1 and 2, then we get substitute the values of this equation. Then from equation 1 first, then y plus xp square, this term goes this side, equal to 2px. Then squaring both equation, then we get whole square equal to 4p square x square. Now substitute the values of xp square equal to c. Then we get y plus c whole square equal to 4x square. P square equal to c by x. 1x which is cancel out. Then we get y plus c x square equal to 4c, which is our required general solution. Another example is example number 2. Xp square minus 2yp plus x equal to 0. First, whatever the differential equation which is given in question, do the subject as a y. Means here the given differential equation can be expressed in form of y equal to x comma p. Means 2yp equal to xp square plus x, then y equal to x square upon 2p plus x upon 2p. P cancel out. Then we get 1 by 2 xp plus x upon 2p. That is our equation number 1. Now differentiating equation number 1 with respect to x. Then first dy by dx, here product form, then 1 by 2p plus 1 by 2 x dp by dx plus 1 upon 2p plus 1 upon 2 x, differentiation of 1 upon which p, which is minus 1 upon p square dp by dx. Now substitute the values of dy by dx, which is p, means p, this term goes this side, and 1 by 2 minus p equal to 1 by 2 x dp by dx plus 1 by 2p minus 1 upon 2p square x dp by dx. Then p minus 1 by 2p, that is indicated by 1/2 p equal to, and this term which is common out, 1 by 2 x minus x by p square dp by dx plus 1 by 2p. Then now taking LCM, p square, 2 cancel out, then we get p equal to x minus x by p square dp by dx plus 1 by p. Now taking LCM, p square, then we get p cube, then x p square minus x dp by dx plus p. Now simplify this term. We require this equation at the end of example. Then I write at a corner, which is our equation number 1. We require at the last. Now simplify this term. Then p cube minus xp square dp by dx plus x dp by dx minus p equal to 0. First and second term has p square common, then p minus x dp by dx. Third and fourth term has minus 1 common, then minus 1, then we get p minus x dp by dx equal to 0. Then we get p square minus 1 and p minus x dp by dx equal to 0. Then in this factor form, neglecting the first term, discarding the factor p square minus 1 which does not contain dp by dx form. Now remaining term is p minus x dp by dx equal to 0. Now separating the variables means dp by p first p equal to x dp by dx, then dp by dx minus dx by x equal to 0. Then apply integration both sides. Then 1 upon p means log p minus log x equal to log c. According to the properties of logarithm, then we get p by x equal to c, means p equal to xc. That is our equation number 2. Now, eliminating p from equation 1 and 2 means substitute the values of p in that equation. Then we get solution of given differential equation. Means y equal to 1 by 2 x, p means xc plus x 2 into xc. Then simplify this term, 1 by 2 x square into c, x cancel, then 1 upon 2c, which is required general solution. Another example is example number 3. Y plus px equal to x raised to 4 into p square. Y plus px equal to x raised to 4 into p square. First, convert the differential equation in form of y. Means y equal to f of xp. Given differential equation can be expressed as y equal to f of xp. Means do the subject as a y equal to x raised to 4 p square minus px. Now differentiating this equation with respect to x. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, then dy by dx equal to product form, then 4x cube p square plus x raised to 4 2p dp by dx minus p minus x dp by dx. Here dy by dx, which is indicated by p. Then this all the terms comes this side, then p plus p minus 4x cube p square plus x square 2p dp by dx plus x dp by dx equal to 0. P plus p 2p minus 4x cube p square, this term here minus and here plus, then minus x raised to 4 2p dp by dx plus x dp by dx equal to 0. Now first and last term comes that side, then 2p plus x dp by dx, and this term has common term minus 2p into x cube. The remaining term is only 2p plus x cube common, then x dp by dx equal to 0. Here we get 2p plus x dp by dx into 1 minus 2p x cube equal to 0. Now neglect this second term. Neglecting the factor 1 minus 2p x cube, because which does not contain dp by dx. Then consider this term. Then 2p plus x dp by dx equal to 0. Now separating the variables, then 2p equal to minus x dp by dx. We required this equation at the last of example, at the end of example. Then I written in the top of the whiteboard. We required this equation at the end of example. Now separating the variables and solve by variable separable methods and find the solution of that particular differential equation. Then dp has p term and dx has x term. Dx by x plus dp by p equal to 0. Then apply integration both sides. Then Then 2 log x plus log p equal to log c. And according to the properties of logarithm, we get x square into p equal to log c. Taking antilog, then x square into p equal to c. Then p equal to c by x square. That is our equation number 2. Now, eliminating the p means substitute the values of p in equation number 1 and simplify that term. Then y equal to x raised to 4 into p square plus c square upon x raised to 4 minus p means c by x square into x. X raised to 4 cancel out. Then we get c square, x cancel out, then c by x, which is our required general solution. If you have any doubts, then feel free to contact me. Thank you so much for listening these videos.